Now listen, you just bought a token with a wrong smart contract address and you just realized that you bought the wrong token. Now in this video, I will show you how you can stop this from happening in the future. And if this has not happened to you before, you are very lucky, but in this video you are lucky because I will show you how to copy the right smart contract address. Guys, I am Amosoft and we are Online Money Minds. If you love this video, subscribe. Now let's Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is to first of all know the project you're actually looking for, or the project you want to buy, or the coin you want to buy. Then you head over to those websites. The website is coinmarketcap.com, and you go to the search bar right here. Then you search for the token that you are actually looking for. Now let's assume that the token we want to buy, okay, maybe on Trust Wallet, or you want to hold it to your Trust Wallet, but you need to go through like PancakeSwap and the whole rest of them, all these decentralized exchanges. You need the correct smart contract address so that you don't fall into the hands of scammers. So once you get to this site, the first thing you need to do is for you to look for the token that you want to buy. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to be searching for Polygon. Now, what you need to do, we're already on the page, but just for the tutorial sake, you search for Polygon, then you select the one you want, then it will take you to this page right here. It will take you to this page right here. So once the page is done loading, as you can see right now, you scroll down here to this area where it says contracts. Now, mind you that some of those coins, they can be found in different blockchains. So it all depends on what blockchain you want to buy the token. The price on all blockchain are the same. Only with exception with some projects that maybe because of liquidity issues or stuff like that, or some things like that, the price does not update, or they don't pair equally, but the difference is just very small. Okay. But in this case, let's say we want to add up Polygon on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now, the first contract you're going to see right here is Ethereum. All right. Now, if you look very close to the Ethereum smart contract, you will see something like more, a kind of toggle or an option button or something like that. Then you click on it. Then you see the other smart contract address of Polygon on other networks. As you can see right here, we have official Polygon on Binance Smart Chain, we have official Polygon on Solana, we have on Polygon itself, that is Matic Network, then we have on Moonbeam as well. Sorry. So in this tutorial, we are going to we'll copy that of Binance Smart Chain. So what we do right here is that we click on Binance Smart Chain right here, click on this copy. All right, you might click here, it will take you to the BSC scan, but no need for that, because all you want to do is just for you to copy the smart contract address so that you can sell or buy this token. So once you are done copying it, you see a pop-up here, copied. If you are using the mobile app or you are visiting this website on your mobile, it's still going to be the same thing. Just look for contracts right here, then beside it, if these are available on the network that you want to buy those coins, then just click on this more. That is, if it has more than one contract, click on more, then select the network on which you want to buy this coin, then just copy the smart contract address. Now, the next thing for you to do is you have to go to either PancakeSwap or QuickSwap or TraderJoe, or any place that you want to buy this token. But in this case, we are going to be using PancakeSwap. So once you're on PancakeSwap, pancakeswap.finance.swap/swap, you just have to click on this place right here. Then you paste in the address you copied. Then you see that Matic automatically is going to pop up. Now, this simply means that this is the official Matic network on BSC. Okay, that's the official Polygon coin on BSC. Now, one of the things, if you look around here, you will see that there are a lot of, if you just come onto Binance Smart Chain, on PancakeSwap, and you just type Matic, you're going to see a whole lot of Matic, right? And you might not know which one is the correct one. So once you are done buying it, you might start having issues because you actually bought the wrong token. So the best thing is just for you to copy the address like I showed you, then you paste it right here, then you can now import. Then you click understand and import. Then you will see that Matic is added right here. So you can now buy, you can now sell or buy whatever you want to do on PancakeSwap. It's still the same thing with every other network, QuickSwap or whatever network you want to use. It's still the same thing. You just copy the smart contract. If you are going to buy Polygon on QuickSwap, that's on the Matic network itself, all you need to just for you to copy the address on Polygon network, then head over to QuickSwap platform just like PancakeSwap and paste in the address. Then you can swap it with any other pair, be it USDC or USDT or whatever on that network. Now, another way you can also use this smart contract address if you want to see the balance on your wallets is that once you are on your maybe Trust wallet on MetaMask, just paste in the address. Make sure you are selecting Binance Smart Chain. You can't copy a smart contract address from the Polygon network and paste it on the Binance Smart Chain. It's not going to work unless they have the same unless the smart contract address on Binance Smart Chain of that coin and Polygon of that coin are the same. That's the only way they work. But if they are not the same numbers, the same figures, and the length and everything, it's not going to work. So if you want to add this to the wallet right now, all you need is just for you to paste in this address right here, then it will pop up. You wait for it to pop up right here. Then you can add your token. This might take a little while. You can always refresh your page. You can always refresh your page and paste in the address that you copied from Binance Smart Chain of that token, and it might pop up. Now, this is not popping up, maybe because of the network or something like that, but automatically it should pop up. Right, so that is basically how you so as you can see right here, it is up and running. So once you click on this add token, you can now add this token to your wallet, and if you've purchased the token, you start seeing the correct token, the correct balance in your wallet. So this is how to copy the right smart contract. Don't just go to Telegram groups and stuff like that and look. All you can do from Telegram groups is actually know the name of the token you want to buy, because you cannot buy something you don't know the name. So once you know the name, just head over to CoinMarketCap, search for the token right here, copy the smart contract address, paste it on the decentralized exchange you want to buy or sell the token on, and if you want to add it to your wallet, simply paste it right here and add custom token. Very simple. So guys, if you love this video, please subscribe, share, and if you are an online money minded person like me and the rest of us guys, please tell me more about it in the comment section. If you want to see more videos like this, drop a comment, give us a thumbs up, and